In today's video, we're going to learn how to create an ebook for absolutely free of cost. So this video is for very beginners who are trying to create one ebook for themselves. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we need to create an account on Vista Create. The link is given in the description. So first of all, we'll enter our email and then put a password, and after you have put the password, click on sign up. After creating one account, here you can see there's a search box. Just search for ebook and then click on ebook under suggested formats. Here you will be able to see many templates and you can choose a template of your choice. I will select this one. Now from here you will get the first page of your ebook, or you can say you will get a template of the ebook. So from here you can start editing the ebook as you like. So for example, here you can see this is the first page of our ebook. So from here you can select like this, you can edit this and you can also delete this. I will delete this upper portion. Just select and I will just click on delete on my keyboard to delete it. Now you can edit this text in the first page. So I will edit this one just like this. After that you can resize it. And you can also move it. Here it's a picture, you can delete the picture and you can bring your own picture in here. So to do that, what you have to do is just right click and click on upload image and get your image, click on upload, and under my files you will be able to see your image. So just click on it and see it will appear on the page. Now you can resize it and place it just like you want, just like this. You can again resize it if you want. Alright, so you can also add other text just by clicking on text and then click on add text option. And a text will be added. You can place it anywhere on the page and you can again edit it. So I will edit this text. I will just put my name here. You can put anything you want. You can again resize it. After that, if you want to edit this text, so you can just select the text like this, and over here in the ribbon you can change the formats of the text. Like for example, you can change the color, you can make it bold, italic, and you can also underline it. You can create it uppercase and you can also change the font of your text just like that. If you want a better background for your first page, you can select the background as well. But first I will put some objects here, so just go to objects. For example, I want to put the icon of Instagram. You can put any object you want. I'll just search for Instagram. I will just select the icon and drop it over here, and you can just resize it as you like, just like that. Now if you want to change the background, go to background and select any background you like. Like there are lots of backgrounds over here, so you can select any of them and you can make it look more better. Now here you can see that there are many pages, so you can edit the text over here as well, just like that. You can resize them and you can create other pages for your ebook. You can also delete some things. You can again add a background, even colors. Just like that. And there are many more pages over here, so you can edit them as well. For example, here you see another page. Here is another page. You can again select the text and edit it as you like. You can again edit the pictures. Now if you want to create a new page, just click on the new page button over here, and again you can create text by just clicking on the text button and then click on add text, and you can again start editing the text over here, and you can make a page on your own. You can again resize the text as we did before. You can place it anywhere on the page, and you can again edit it, such as for example we make it bold, and you can also change the font again. You can again create some animations as well. You can give some effects to your text as well, and you can also paste links over here. If you want to add videos, then you can go to videos and search for videos, or you can go to my files, upload image or video, and select one video from here and click on upload. Next, it will take some time to upload. Then you can just drag and drop it on the page and then click on confirm and then resize the video. And like this you can create many more pages in your book. You can add text, you can add paragraphs, etc. And after you have done all this and you want to name your ebook, then just go here and give any name to your ebook. If you want to download it, just click on the download button. And you have some of the options over here. You can select any option and then just click on download, and that's it.